What is up YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another unboxing video. This time it's the Amazfit T-Rex Pro. So it's an ideal go-to device for fitness and health enthusiasts. It features a 3.3cm HD AMOLED color screen with always on display. The smartwatch helps you check the time and fitness stats with ease. It's also got blood oxygen saturation measurement. It also tracks your sleep quality and it can also monitor your heartbeat. So having said that, let's get unboxing. Let's take a look at what's inside the box. The smartwatch itself, the charging cable, and user manual. Let's keep that aside. Okay, let's peel this off. Let me quickly set up this watch and take you guys through. Okay, so I have set up the watch and this is how the screen looks. To be honest, for the price we are paying, I think it's got a decent display. So this watch is currently in Amazon for 7,900, but my friend got it for 7,200 from Flipkart. I'll put the link to it in the description below. Let me also quickly show you a size comparison with the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. So as you can see, this looks pretty good compared to the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. It's got this rugged look and I think this will be perfect for workouts. So you also have an option to change watch faces as per your preference. You can install many other from using your phone as well. If you go up, you can check your activity goal, the weather, oxygen measure, and on the left you will get the notifications. If you scroll right, you can check the settings, workout records. So there are 100 plus workouts in this, which includes outdoor cycling, indoor cycling, pool, open water swimming, and so on. Of the 100 modes which we were talking about, one of which is swimming, and this watch supports up to 10 ATM of water resistance, which is about 100 meters, and that's really good for a smartwatch of this price. It also supports up to 18 days of battery runtime. So in case you want to leave the watch for a couple of weeks without charging, you can do that as well. So overall, this is a great watch for the money you're paying. And yep, there are a lot of customizations as well that you can do with this watch, which I also have to explore. We'll do a review later after using this for a couple of days, and we'll leave a feedback in the description below. So that is it about the Amazfit T-Rex Pro. If you did like this video, leave a like, do subscribe to this channel and stay tuned for more such videos. Until next time.